to see his guests. Hi guys! This week is online class week, but we have one class this Friday that we have to go in person, which is the only class we have this Friday. Because I'm going to school today to get some books that are required for the semester. I'm gonna stay there for the whole day because we're gonna do a group activity later. So I'm gonna be staying there the whole day. Hi, I'm with Zenrose again. We're always together. Kambal yarn. We're off to Mika's. Isa lang ka matcha nga ice. My class is not starting yet. I'm gonna stay here and study a bit.
So on the way to his or her destination and when staying mauna ang gitawag natong trip, it should be around Hannes. We have also restaurants, mga pubs, bars.
Oh!
My fathers and mothers and 2 worlds apart.
Let me show you the sky. It's really pretty. So clear. Pretty. Now look what we've done. My room looks bright now. I'm so pale though. Hi guys, let's have some lunch. It's currently 12:26. I have a class later that will end around 2:30 p.m. And I'm just gonna have some lunch first because, you know, I'm gonna watch Alchemy of Souls while eating.
그대가 마음에 들어하는 집으로 결정하겠소. 그리고 당신이 이불옷을 지으면서 이 느리고 둔한 남자가.
Guys, good morning. We're here at Sinakap to run some errands. What is that there? Hi, Jal. Happy birthday! It's her birthday today. Hello. Hello, ka-cute. Oh my god. They're following me. Kaya nga. Bye-bye. Hey guys. Oh my god, look at this cup. Just finished my morning classes and I'm now heading to the city because, as I've said earlier, it's Jel's birthday today and we are treating her. I had classes earlier so they went first. That's why I'm coming after them since I'm done with my classes. So this is the fit of the day. I'm wearing the same pants that I wore yesterday. It's just so comfy, you know. Okay, I'm going now. Ikaw po? Birthday din mo. Birthday niya. sa init. We're gonna check the convenience store. Hey guys, we just got home and our package arrived, so let's I was about to say unboxing, but it's already unboxed. There's also other items aside from mine. It's still wrapped though. It's still unboxing, so
Hi!
Nagklase na!
Hey guys, so kaklase na ikaw while naglaan.
Double purpose.
If I can play the guitar 너위한 곡을 수천개는 더 마음을 해보면 선장은 되지 않았을까 네가 내가
lalamihin ko.
Then I'll make it all
Ano ka ba?
while you sleep like a sheeran, like a sheeran, like a sheeran.
Ano pa sa unahan?
I'll make a long love while you sleep like a sheeran, like a sheeran, like a sheeran. 미안하지만 얼굴은 닮을 생각 없어 주황색 머리도 맘에 안 들어 내가 원하는 건 그 녀석의 목소리와 쟤는 기타는 만져본 적조차 없어 내가 원하는 건 어디 아무도 안 오는 곳에 내 감정 태우고 바위 앉은 뒤에 손이 대일 정도로 뜨거운 커피를 마시고 널 마주보면서 노래를 해주기를 원해 Girl, if I can't play the guitar 넌 오그라드는 걸 싫어하니까 난 절대 촛불을 100개 밝혀도